So this thing was trying to get out, pull it out from here, but wasn't working. So I just pulled it, thinking I should check the lights are working or not. So I'm sure the lights are working. Padi chappal pa na.
I'm going to.
Okay, so I just want you to tell you to hit, nothing else, okay? Only hit brake when I tell you. Hit it. Yeah. Release it. Okay, they're working. Release. Okay. Thank you. That's it. Hold on. Yeah, I changed it, buddy. So guys, this is how it looks right now. Okay. See, this is damaged. This is broken. This is damaged. The light. So we're gonna change the light today. Let's see if we can do it. Tank te khali inna hoya, but I think we can. I don't want to touch this. We can work with this. And this light is also broken. We'll change later on. Right now, let's just try to fix this one. We have our light here. Okay. And then we have these tools. We're probably gonna need these. And then I have this multi-tool. Okay. So let's get on it. So this thing was trying to get out. It was stuck here somewhere. But now I was trying to pull it out from here, but it wasn't working. So I just pulled it from here. I don't know if this is right or not. So we just need to change this with this, and hopefully we're ready to install it again. All right, stay tuned, guys.
नविका ये जुरावन जैकेट पहन बोल जैकेट पा के थल्ले आए
So before I install it, I was thinking I should check the lights are working or not. So I'm asking my son to come down and hit the brakes. So let's make sure the lights are working. Padi chappal pa na.
I'm going to.
And come down. Edra, come this side. Okay, so. Okay, so I just want you to sit here, and hit that brake. This is the brake when I tell you to hit, nothing else, okay? Only hit brake when I tell you. When I tell you hit brake, then you hit the brake, okay? Okay, press it, hit it. Yeah, release it. Again, release. So that's it, hold in. Okay, then I'm gonna tell you. Okay, do it. Okay, they're working. Release. Do it. Okay, thank you. That's it. Hold on. Just put this down. Down. That's it. That's it. Okay, indicator's working. Everything's working. Good. Boss, Tika. Thank you. You can go back up.
No, I can stay here.
Put your head. Cover your head.
Spy hacker.
Hold this camera for me.
What, hold this camera?
Right here. Hold it right here. Right here. Okay, so I'm gonna screw it up. So I just changed this broken light with this new light.
What?
Yeah, I changed it, buddy.
How? How did you even find another one? How did you even find another one? Stop. Here.
Hold it.
This.
गाड़ी को पीछे से मार के भाग गया फिर मार के
We're making a video. I got drip, 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 drip. I'm gonna take my phone to McDonald's. What? What? This is how you should make one. Papa, do you want to be a car worker?
Hmm?
You want to be a car worker?
No, why? I mean, you can be. There's good money in that.
Yeah, so you maybe you can earn the money if you do it. So
One more screw. Give me that screw.
what?
Give me that.
This thing, this little, I don't know. This orange thing. He's putting all of the pieces right here. All the broken pieces, I guess. Oh, it's so sunny. But it's really cold. So cold out here. How did Sumi even drive the car? Someone was like, he was in the front seat.
I lost one screw. You gotta find it, bro.
You go find it.
चल जा तू ऊपर जा. Go. Thank you. You can go upstairs. Okay, so I lost this screw. I don't know where it is, but I think this is gonna be fine. So this is how it looks right now. Hope this closes. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, so I fixed it. Let's see if this closes now. Okay, all right, not bad. So next step, we're gonna take this to the shop and get this fixed. So this is pretty tight now, it's not loose. This will change it later on, but before that we'll get this fixed. We'll go to the junkyard, get estimates over there. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Bye.
ਓਕੇ ਗਾਇਸ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ we have come to the junkyard. So we got the estimate. This is a place, close to Citi Field Stadium in New York. You go there, as soon as you enter that place, you'll see all the Mexican guys standing over there, like waving at you. They know why you're there. So make sure you take estimates from at least 2 shops, if not. So and negotiate. Whatever their price they'll tell you, do not give them that price. So they always negotiate, but they're very good at their job. Look how nicely they're changing everything. They're working. It took me, and they did everything in like 6 hours. The other guys, when I took it to the shops over here, somebody was telling me 2,500, somebody was telling me 3,000, and one of my guys, he said like, oh, it's a total. You'll just take $1,000 from me and then total it. I'll just garbage it, whatever. But no, I was smart, so I took it to the shop over there. Now look at this, how nicely they have painted and everything over here. You see this? And everything was done with the light, with the labor, with the dent and everything. Everything was done under $1,000. Can you imagine that? $1,000. All you need is some patience. All you need to go there whole day. You need a full day. Other places they were doing it for 2,500, and they were gonna keep my car for like whole week. They were not gonna give me any loaner, nothing. But with patience and some strategy, you take your car there, because that's where everyone else take your car. Even if you give this car to the shop, they'll still take your car over there. So thank you very much, and do like and share and comment. How do you like the video? Do
So here you go, guys. ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਤੀ ਗੱਡੀ okay. Look at that. Looks nice. Light, everything is changed. So I'm sorry, ਗੱਡੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਗੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਠੰਡ ਪੂਰੀ ਪੈ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, like 23 degrees ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪੇਂਟ ਸੁੱਕਣ 'ਚ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ, ਤਾਂ 2-4 ਦਿਨਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਗੱਡੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ। I'm sorry for that. Stay tuned with this.